What's up everyone? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna give you tips and ideas on how to make a miniature printer. So we'll be needing cardboard, computer paper, scissor, pen, glue gun, and acrylic paint. So let's start with sketching. And I still haven't found my ruler, so I'll be using popsicle stick. Sure, it is inside, right here, the upper side. After you drew it, then I'm gonna draw some extra right here for the back. We're gonna cut this out, and after we cut this out, we're gonna fold it. And after you fold it, and we're going to glue the edges. Then after gluing, we're gonna cover it with computer paper. Okay, after covering it, I'm gonna put some paper holder here. At first, we're gonna cover it with paper. And after that, I'm gonna glue it right here, the center. And for the paper support, I'm gonna cover another cardboard here. And I'm gonna glue it here in the back. I'm gonna make sure that it's slanted. And after that, we're gonna paint it with black acrylic paint. And after that, I'm gonna cut strips of paper. I'm gonna glue it right here, the paper support, and right here for the paper tray. And voila, you're done. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. We will see you to our next video. Bye.